Howdy there. It's Keister time once again, and it's pretty bad rewriting her, ain't it? Yeah, let me just, that's better. Pooey, I forgot. Oh yes, this is an accounting tutorial. Let me just get out to my accounting handbook. Alright, here we go. Now, I just want to show you the results of accounting a practice. You see this number at the top there, that 20 out of 20? Yeah, that's what I got, because I'm an accounting genius. And see, right here, yeah. Yes. Anyways, get that shit out of here. Now, here's my accounting book given to me by the Mr. Stabler. He's a pretty cool guy. I recommend you go kiss his Keister. However, to explain accounting to you, I need to teach you the accounting equation. It goes a little something like assets equals liabilities plus owner's equities minus Keister time plus my T-Ractoirs and redneck hillbillies. And if you don't understand what that means, well, you're a stupid ass, so get lost. And I do not need you in my YouTube viewings, whatever. I don't know, Keister time, kill yourself. And a little dusty in here. Did y'all hear that? That sounded quite funky. Anyways, the most important part of accounting is knowing that Spider-Man can beat the poo out of Iron Man. Not only that, but Dragon Balls is the best game ever, and I just really support them. Now, back to accounting, the essentials, the accounting equation. All the way back in chapter 1, it says, right here, expenses. Forget about them. You don't want them. And then, it says right here, assets plus liabilities equals owner's equity. Don't question that. Now, look, all these numbers right here, they all mean something. Do I know what they mean? Hell no. I ain't got a single clue what any of these junkers mean. Like Keister time, like what the heck? Anyhow, you see these? These are the T-charts. Don't worry about those. You're never going to use them after chapter 2. They never even appear again. And you see this? I don't even know what the heck this is. When did we even do this? Whatever, it doesn't matter. And then there's some more T-charts. And then, study guide problems and whatnot. See all them T's and F's? That stands for T-Ractor and fudge, chocolate. Anyways, now we'll move on to chapter 3 where we get into the journals. The journal is the only thing you actually need. You're going to be learning about that for a solid 6 days. I've been in the class for a while. I don't know how long. And this right here is a Chihek, I think. And they are not, I mean, you don't use them as adults. You just give people cash and credit cards. What? Keister? I don't know. And see right here? This is not my handwriting. Or my work, I guess. I don't know what this is. And then we continue to move on. Here are the ledgers. The ledgers, I mean. Yes, that's how you pronounce it. If you can see that, it says Keister time something. I can't read. And then we move on to chapter master problems, and then we have all these right here. These more study guide questions. You see I left these blank? Yes. I don't know if any of y'all have heard of this, but there's this thing called direct correlation. I really cannot stress how important direct correlation is. If you don't do direct correlation, you're going to fail the test. And then this is chapter 6. See, look, coming back to that general ledgers. And let's just skip a few chapters, because, yes. And here we're on chapter something else. And look at all these numbers. So important. And, this is chapter 11. I mean, I haven't gotten into this chapter personally, so I don't know what any of that nonsense is. It's real long, though. And then here's a page of chapter 13. Ooh. This is Carter Haynes. Whoopsie. Don't know how this got in here. That's weird. Oh, this is his book. Silly me, I forgot. Anyways. And then, look at this. Now, I know this might not look like a lot to you, but I guarantee you, if you didn't do this before the test, direct correlation would have got you a 0. Now, forget about this nonsense. Let's, oh golly, I'm sorry, I just keistered my panties. Let's get back to the real important stuff. Okay. Excuse me, I seem to have lost my Keister. Yes. Alrighty. That was about all. You know what they say, like and subscribe and leave a comment in the description below and don't forget to Keister up. Study your accounting, folks. Direct correlation, recall that. Also, one more thing. If you ever meet this guy on the street, his name would be Hannes, and he makes claims that he's a good Winston man. Make sure that you shake his hand and call him a douchebag and run away from it. That's all. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, there's a link in the description. Keister time. Yeah, that's it. There's a link in the description. I don't know. I'll decide what it'll be too later. Anyways, that's it. It's your boy, Awesome ARG. Adios.